Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Stellar from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Stellar XLM and want to move it over for better management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check for any updates in wallet interfaces, as crypto tech evolves quickly. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed on your device, and a Coinbase Wallet account linked to your email or phone. Also, ensure you have some Stellar tokens in your Phantom Wallet and enough network fees for the transaction. Stellar transactions are usually super cheap. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and log in. Navigate to your Assets tab and select your Stellar balance. If you don't see it, double-check that your wallet supports the Stellar network. You might need to add it manually. Step 2. Hit the Send button for your Stellar tokens. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app or website. Go to your wallet overview, select Receive, and choose Stellar from the asset list. Copy that unique wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to miss any characters. Paste that address into the recipient field in Phantom Wallet. Double-check everything. The amount you're sending, the address, and any transaction fees. Once you're good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen. Go ahead and sign it with your Phantom Wallet. After a few moments, head back to Coinbase Wallet to check if your Stellar has arrived. It should show up in your balance shortly, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just wait a bit or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Stellar's official site. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount to avoid any mishaps, and keep your wallets updated to the latest versions for security. That's it for this guide. You've just mastered transferring Stellar between wallets. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.